Today we are making a microwave Easter lamb shepherd's pie. It serves 4 people and takes about 40 minutes from start to finish. Let's get into it. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 pound ground lamb. Rich and tender, it is the heart of this Easter classic. 2 large russet potatoes. These make fluffy, creamy mash for the topping. 1/2 cup milk. It loosens the potatoes into a silky mash. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. This adds richness to the mash. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. It builds savory sweetness in the filling. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Bright, aromatic depth for the lamb. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Helps the onions soften evenly. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Deepens color and umami in the gravy. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. This thickens the gravy quickly in the microwave. 1 cup beef broth, low sodium. The base for a savory, balanced sauce. 1 cup frozen peas and carrots. Classic color and sweetness for the filling. 1 teaspoon chopped fresh rosemary. A classic Easter herb that loves lamb. 1 teaspoon chopped fresh thyme. Adds gentle, woodsy notes. 1 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, plus extra to taste. Season the lamb and the potatoes just right. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. A gentle kick to balance the richness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Peel and cube the russet potatoes. Put them in a large microwave-safe glass bowl, cover with water by about 1 inch, cover loosely, and microwave on high for 10 minutes until they are fork tender. Drain the potatoes carefully. Add 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. Mash until smooth and creamy. Cover the mashed potatoes to keep them warm and set them aside. In a white microwave-safe ceramic baking dish, combine 1 tablespoon olive oil and the chopped onion. Microwave on high for 3 minutes, stirring halfway, until the onion is softened. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh rosemary, and 1 teaspoon chopped fresh thyme. Microwave on high for 1 minute to bloom the aromatics. Add 1 pound ground lamb, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Break the meat into small pieces, then microwave on high for 5 minutes, stirring halfway, until mostly cooked. Carefully spoon off any excess fat. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste to coat the lamb evenly, then microwave on high for 30 seconds. In a small cup, whisk 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 1 cup beef broth until smooth. Pour it into the dish and stir to combine. Microwave on high for 3 minutes, stopping every minute to stir, until the gravy is thick and bubbling. Stir in 1 cup frozen peas and carrots, then microwave on high for 2 minutes until hot and bright. Taste and adjust with a small pinch of salt if needed. Spread the lamb mixture evenly in the dish to form the base. Spoon the mashed potatoes over the top, smooth to the edges to seal the filling, and use a fork to make light ridges. Microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes until the pie is steaming hot and the potato top is set. Let the shepherd's pie rest for 5 minutes to firm up, then spoon into bowls and serve warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this quick Easter lamb shepherd's pie, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.